understand. Now you guys tell me. So those who have not getting the proper output previously, okay, so they can do it with me right now. So we'll check. Okay. So now tell me which directory to create a directory, which command is important.
mkdir.
So one,
mkdir,
okay, mkdir, and then next one,
change directories.
yeah, change directory, but you have to give a name, right?
CD.
Yeah, see, so I want all of you to simply type this command. Okay, so this will consider as your second output. Okay, first output that yesterday we have done. Okay, and now second output will be share the recording of previous practice. Yes, definitely, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll share it. I'll post it on the ERP by tomorrow for all the practicals. Okay. So please, you guys also open the gate bash and follow the command mkdir and everything. I'll show you the screen. Experiment. So those who have not got the output, and please take a screenshot. See what I'm gonna do is because what as a faculty we have discussed, okay, in DevOps is there will be a two outputs, okay, for some practicals. For other practicals only one output is fine. Two outputs, why? Because in last lecture I told you to perform this repository and you did, okay, so that is correct. Now here, based on the base what you have learned in the previous lecture, you are going to simply make a new directory, change the new directory, then you are going to run your not run, you are going to add the files, and then you are going to simply connect that local to global repository. Okay, so I'll show you the images. Yes, so make a directory, give the name. Now give them other name. Okay, don't keep exp. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then please cd. Cd stand for change directory. Done with change directory. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now I'll go to the next one. Next one is git init. For experiment 2, so not 2, for 3, screenshot we have to take. Yeah, you have to take a screenshot. So this type, this will come as a output number 3 and highlight it. Okay.
Ma'am, you screenshot.
Well, don't try to take every step. No, for this only, no. Don't take us every step screenshot. Just take a screenshot for this one, and then later I'll tell you. Because we already have these screenshots, right? These screenshot are the proof that you have done more than one repositories. Okay, means you are practicing with the creating and local and global repository. So these are the proof. Okay, so done with the git init.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next is we have to follow the path which are there in the git init, like this path. Okay, and then you have to check your experiment, your folder is empty, so you have to create a text document, name that document with a simple name. Okay, simply name it and add some for file in it, not file text in it. Done? Done with creating the file? You can type yes or no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Next one. This is a mistake I have made. Yeah, this one. After creating the file, you have to add git status command. So simply add git status command.
Ma'am, could you zoom in, please?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Hello.
Ma'am, with the git status one,
Sorry, sorry. Can you repeat your question?
do we need to write the git add command or directly the git status one?
Yeah, just git add command. Just wait a minute. I thought you have added. First git status you have to add.
Okay.
And do we have to do two output in this experiment? Yes, yes, yes. See, why two output? Because he was asking, not he, they were asking, like, are you guys doing performing or not? For that, so this is your reference. Not for all the experiments, only few experiments are there. For that, we need a two output. So done with the gate status.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next one here you can see git add and then your file name. That is your new file, the one you have created just now.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. I'll go to the next slide.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay, okay, fine. It's here only.
Ma'am, do we have to take the screenshot of this step?
No, don't take a screenshot of this step.
Okay.
Done? Yes, done. So I'll go to the next slide. Okay. Yeah. Then now next, wait 2 minutes. Okay, okay, fine. So those who are finished, they can go further. Okay. And those who are not finished, they are struggling with the steps. Don't worry. I'll go slowly.
Ma'am, add and commit. We need to write both the commands, right?
Add and commit. Yeah, yeah. See this one.
Okay.
This one. So both the commands git add and your file name, then press enter and simply here type git add dash m committing a text file. And now don't take a screenshot. Okay, I'll tell you. We'll take a screenshot only at the end. That will be on the GitHub account.
Ma'am, we have to post it on same repo.
Sorry.
We have to post it. We have to push it on same repo.
Yeah, yeah. Just wait a minute. First, follow this step: git config global user dot username, and here your username will come. Okay, the sign in that the name which is over here in the sign in. Simply copy paste it or type it as it is. See, you can create a different repository also. You can create the same repository also. Then I'll go to the next slide. You have to click on the new repository, then type the name and click on the create repository. Done. You have to simply copy paste the link which you have created for the new one with this command git remote add origin.
Then, ma'am.
Repeat from which step? From here. Okay, see, go to your GitHub account, your repository, click on your repository. In that, click on the new one. Then in that, give a repository name. If a public, then click on the public. I think by default it is public only. And then click on the create repository. And then over here, we'll get some link to git remote add origin and simply copy paste the link in it. Done. Should I go to the next slide? Okay. So then use this command git push origin master. Pushing means what? You are simply pushing your local repository to the remote repository that you have connected over here with this link. That is the meaning of pushing. Done? Okay. The next one.
Ma'am, it is showing a error me this time.
Who?
Prathamesh, ma'am.
Okay.
Second time,
Can you share your screen?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait a minute. Let me stop it. Yeah, take a screenshot for the GitHub account. In the GitHub account, you will see your second repository along with the second file, right? So take a screenshot of it.
Ma'am, only of that file showing in the repository.
Yes, yes, yes. So it is a proof that you have created a new repository and new files. So only take a screenshot of it. Like the first one uh, for mkdir and cd, and this is the second one. That's it.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, yeah, it is visible. Can you just please zoom in? And just go up. User is you have created local repository, right?
Prathamesh, you haven't committed. You have to commit first, then push.
That's correct.
Okay, okay, got it, ma'am. I'll commit then.
See, first add, commit, and then push and then pull.
Okay, ma'am. I missed the step. I will redo it again.
Okay, okay. Wait. Let me show you the screenshot again. Can you stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll show you this. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
And only take a screenshot of this one. Your directory, new directory, and your new file. That's it. Done.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, instead of this screenshot, which we have to take,
Instead of what?
ma'am, uh, we have to take this one, or before this, which screenshot we are needed.
Just wait a minute. The first one that you have created, and this one, CD and mkdir, that is make directory and change directory.
Okay, ma'am. This page
Because
and
you're
last
showing,
page
no, this
only.
is your first step and the last one. The middle one, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the two screenshot will be there for your second output. The first one and the last.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, any doubt till now? The one I have taken first screenshot. Yeah, it's okay, no worries. Yes, there was one student. His name. He got an error yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. I did it now. Now it's currently perfect.
Now it's
I
running
could
perfectly,
create a
no?
yeah.
Yeah, it's very
Actually,
good.
yesterday I forgot my GitHub account's password, and then I was trying to reset the password. After
Okay.
that, once I tried, I don't know why there was an error occurring. Then too, after the lecture, I tried doing again, but then they showed me some fatal error. So I thought I'll just confirm it with you today in the lecture.
Okay. Sure.
But now I'm getting
So
it
now it is
perfectly.
working, right?
Yeah. I got the outputs perfectly.
Yeah. It's very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So now, after taking screenshot, what you have to do is you have to type this command clear. Sorry. Okay, so what is the meaning of clear? Whatever the commands or whatever chunks of data is there previously, have added previously in your command prompt, it will simply clear it. Okay. So please type clear. Done. So I'll show you 2, 3 more commands, okay, and I'll tell you when to take a screenshot. So is my screen visible or should I zoom it like this? Right, but I will not see the chat box. No. Acha, Sia, uh, can you just unmute yourself? And you have to exit and then start again. But no, you don't have to exit it. Here, simply type clear command. You can share terminal as well. Okay, is it? Okay, let me try it. No, I can't. They are simply sharing as application only. It's okay. I'll share the whole screen. Okay. See, this is the one that I have created. Few commands are there. Okay. So you just have to learn what commands this is. So we have total 3 commands. One is your git log. I'll type it here. So git log is another command. What it does, it simply show you the history of the comments that you have done in your local system. Okay, so that is what the git command is. Okay, so what you have to do is after clearing, see here I have made a mistake. Okay, so what mistake, can anybody tell me the mistakes I have made? I'll simply, yes, some silly mistakes I have made over here.
Ma'am, please zoom in.
Now it is visible. You can't zoom the terminal, no?
Yes, you can, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Okay, it's okay. Can you tell me the mistake I have made over here?
Space.
No, not a space. See, focus on from this line, from this master to this.
Directory.
Yes, correct. What I was doing is I was simply trying to enter the git log command, okay, into directory which are not there in the directory. See, you can see here I'm in the master. I was in the master, correct? So I typed the git log command and they show me that error that branch master doesn't have any commits yet and like that. Okay, I was keep on trying it. I was trying with another command. Still, I was getting the error. Okay, so what I did is I simply change my directory using cd, and then here you can see experiment. Okay, so are you getting this line, this one, that are you in your directory that you have created on your local system?
Yes, ma'am.
So all guys are there in your directory, right? So there is no need to type extra command, that is cd command over here. Okay, so I can't see your response. Yes, okay. So now what you have to do is please type git log and press enter. So I'll type it in. See, here you will get a message. Is it visible to all of you or should I zoom it? CR, you can unmute yourself. You can speak.
Visible, ma'am.
It's
Visible.
visible, okay? See, so here you can see there is one commit and alphanumeric, some keywords are there, okay? Head is your master, then author. So since this is my PC or my account, so my name and my Gmail ID is there, okay? Then date, that is July 15. Why July 15? Because I have created my file on July 15. Date and time is also there, okay? So what git log is, it simply show you the history for the comments that you have done in your local system. That's it. That is the working or the description for the git log. Okay, see, they will give you also message committing a text file. Done. So this is your first command, git log. So please take a screenshot of it from this to this to this, and just highlight the git log command, this one. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next one.
Ma'am,
Again type
experiment is
git log dash dash one line and press enter.
hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, which experiment is this?
this is experiment number 3 only.
Okay.
We are simply adding 2 3 more commands, that's it. We are not going for the experiment 4. We are going very slowly since this new all these topics are new to you, okay? So it is very important first to clear what you are doing exactly. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, so please type git log dash dash one line. So what is the command? It says that it will simply give you the total history. So I have committed only one file. Okay, that is why they are simply giving me the only data for the one file. Since now you guys have committed two files, so you're here there should be two data. Are you getting a two data, like two text file over here? See over here. Are you getting?
No, ma'am, only one.
Ma'am,
Because this
we have
directory is
committed.
created today.
Yes, ma'am. We have only committed once in this file.
Acha, so can you tell me why?
Ma'am, both are in different directory.
Yes, exactly, correct. See, both are in different directory. That is why you're showing only they are showing only one file. Okay. Suppose in one directory, like in experiment, is my directory. I have create if I create the one more document, text document. Okay. Then here two files आ जाएगा. Understood? The difference directory and files कैसे आ सकता है? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now here, Excel will ask you one question. Now we know that author, we know the date, okay? They will simply give you a message. What is this indicates? This small one, the one A5762B, what it indicates?
Ma'am, it is commit address. We can, I mean, we can go back to our last commit from that.
Yes, correct. See, it is a commit ID, okay? Here you can see your commit ID is nothing but the alphanumeric value, okay? With so many digits. Okay, but in git log one line, they only focus on the this one. Only first, I think how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 digits. Okay, so they only focus on the 7 digits. That is why it is over here. So in Viva, they will ask you where is your commit ID. Just tell me your commit ID. Okay, so even if it is, even if you get this number, big number, you have to simply focus on the first 7 digits. Understood the first question? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so write it down somewhere if you have a pen or pencil, that the questions, this type of question they might ask you in Viva. Done? One more
Ma'am,
question. Huh?
ma'am, before git log, we did the screenshot of repository, that step, no?
Ha 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 ha. Ha. Screenshot of repository. See, these are the git commands. We are going to see some 2 3 commands. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, done.
Ma'am,
Yes,
do we
sir.
have to take screenshot?
Yeah, yeah. Please take a screenshot of it. Git log. That's your next. This will be your second command. Git log is one. Git log dash dash one line will be your second. Done. Okay. Now your third command will be git log and demo text. Demo one text, that is your file name. So this will be your third command. So please enter it, git log and then your file name. Done. Can you tell me what is the difference between git log one line, and git log your file name? What is the difference between that? Both are in different directory. What else? So take your time. What do you think? What is the difference? See, basically, git is, why git is there, because we are performing the GitHub practical. That is why git command is there. Correct. Now, what log is? Log means what? It simply shows you your data, your history, your whatever you have committed, whatever the data is there, the history, previous data. It will show you that data. Okay. So now, what is that? Git log one line, and git log your text file. What is the difference?
The git log
Huh?
will display all the commitments, like commits of the whole repository,
Okay.
whereas the git log and the file, it will display the log of the commits done to the file.
Okay. Yeah, the first one, what you said, no, there is a little bit change. This git log, will simply show you the commitment or the commits which are done to the latest one, the latest file. Okay. See, after this one, this is my latest file. Okay. After that, I have not created any file. Okay. So they will simply give the commits to the latest one. Whereas git one line, suppose my repository experiment is my repository, and they in experiment there are some more than 20 files are there. Okay. So every time I can't simply put git file name. No, right? Suppose I want to know the commitments which I've made for the each and every file. So how will I come to know that? Using this git log one line, it will show you the history for all the files which are there in the experiment. That's it. Done. Okay. And then next one is your git log demo1.txt. It's very simple. It simply gives you the history for that particular file. That's it. Okay. So again, note down the difference between git log. They will ask you the question. Tell me the basic difference between the git log one line, and git log demo or file name. Okay. So is it okay? Any confusion? Yes. No?
I'm clear.
Okay. So now next one is vim v, and then my file name. I'll zoom it. Okay. Can you see after clicking the vim demo1.txt, let me type the command in a chat box. Vim and then your file name. My file name is demo1 and txt. Simply type this command. Yeah, the content of the file is displayed. Okay. So there are two ways to change the content of the file. What will be the first way? You will go here, you will click somewhere, and then you will change the respective content, okay, for the respective file. This is the first way. And second way is using this command, the vim one. Okay. Correct. So I'll type anything whatever you want. I'll type tip. Okay. So type anything, and then after that, put colon. Can you read the one? This one I have mentioned in the chat box. Just wait a minute. Vim demo1.txt. Whereas demo1.txt is my file name. Your file name not working. Full file name. Vim space and your file name dot txt. Is it working?
Yes, ma'am.
How? Okay. How type? How to type with the keyboard, obviously. Yeah, see, after that, type anything you want, okay?
Ma'am, it
And
is
then
not allowing to type.
Yes, ma'am.
how come? See, I can type, you can
Ma'am, we
see.
are getting a warning below, like no previous regular expression.
Can anybody show their screen? I'll
Uh,
stop my sharing.
click three,
Screen.
4 times. It was not initially it was not, but now I can type. Yeah. Keep typing something or keep clicking again.
Keep typing, it will start. Yeah, even initially also it was stopped. But what about the others? Apart from some students, they are struggling. It's okay. But what
Yeah,
about the
ma'am.
others?
We have to keep typing, then it comes insert over there.
Okay, so are you getting that content?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So we'll wait for your friends for 2-3 minutes.
Ma'am, do I have
Please
to
keep
take
typing.
SS?
No, don't take SS for this. We'll use one more command. So in that, you can show them that we have changed some file content using the command. Shubham, okay,
Ma'am,
sharing.
how to save them? Yeah, your routines. How to save?
Yeah, yeah, I know. I'll just tell you. Wait a minute. So please press a tab one. Tab. It's type anything. See, it's working. Don't delete it. Don't delete it. Type anything. Just keep it at it. Okay, can you just stop sharing your screen so I'll show you the next command? Okay. Of this one. Yeah, here. So what you have to do is uh, type colon. Yeah, I'll tell you. Type colon, then W Q, and then exclamation mark, and then enter.
Ma'am, first you'll have to press escape in order for that insert to go away.
Escape because it worked in the previous one. Okay, let me try it. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. WQ and then exclamation mark. So you will come out. And then you will see the changes that you have made in your file.
Ma'am, can you repeat how to come out?
Yes. Wait a minute. Let me add the command again. Now I'm here in the file, okay? You're typing anything, then press escape. So here your cursor will come automatically over here. Colon WQ and then your exclamation mark. And then press enter. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll also press enter. So as you can see here, hello DevOps lab, then again hi and save some changes I have made. So is
Ma'am,
it
can you repeat once?
okay, fine. I'll again go txt. Here, type anything. But it's not coming. After that, press escape. After typing anything, press escape. Then simply type colon WQ and then exclamation mark. Manjari, she raised her hand. Yes, if you have any doubt, Manjari, you can type it in the chat box or you can unmute yourself. Press enter. So by mistake. Okay, fine. So done. So can you see here the data that you have changed over here? Yes or no?
No, ma'am. For okay, when then there I'm able to see again.
Okay. What about the others?
Ma'am, we have given that command git diff demo1.txt. So
Yeah, see the changes that you have made over here, like this.
ma'am, we have to give that above command.
Just wait a minute. Say.
We have to give git diff that file name command after out
Huh.
from.
No. So this I was simply showing from I was repeating the commands, okay? After entering, you are supposed to see the changes. Wait, let me show you the one which I have done.
Ma'am, for that purpose, we'll have to execute that command that you have also done, git diff the file name.
Yeah, git diff is a different one. Yeah, yes. Just wait a minute. The log demo is done. Git help is done. Yeah, you have to click on the git status. Git status command. This one. Click git status command and then enter. But I'll also do it with you. Keyboard is not working. Yes. Have you typed git status command?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see here you can see modified, that is your message, and demo one.text one. So which file that you have modified? This one. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please take a screenshot of it. Your screenshot should consist of the one and this. Yes, done. Good. So now next one. here you have to add this command git diff and then your text file. Press enter. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the output of it?
We can see the difference between our first commit, first file and
The
new
first
commit.
one, yeah. So you can see
And
before in previous one, content were not there, and now you have added content, so you can see the content. Understood? Okay. So how many comments we saw? The first one is log, git log. Okay. The next one is red color is where red color is coming between where, like here, git bash. Yeah, it's okay. This one, no. This is not the error. Don't worry. The error message is different. So please take a screenshot of this. Okay, so we have done getting 3 to 4 comments. First one is git log. I'll just simply list it down in the chat box. Git log is there. Then git log dash dash one line. Okay. Then after that we have git log text file name. So I'm simply writing my text file. Okay. Then after that we learned how to create a, okay, so how to edit the file, not create, how to edit. So vim, then demo1.txt. Then after that, how to save a file with colon wq exclamation mark, and then how to see the difference with it if file name. Done. Is that clear to all of you? Git commands. Yes or no?
Clear, ma'am.
Done.
clear, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll open the Word file, okay, and I'll show you the experiment list and show you how to do that, okay. And later I'll simply show you the AWS account, okay, how to open the AWS account. It's very simple, okay. So once you have done with the AWS account, so from next uh, a week we'll start with the experiment 1, 2, 3 for the advanced DevOps, okay. So now let me show you the screen first. Acha, I want to ask one thing. Is has anybody give you to write experiment in latex?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. But have you attended a workshop which is organized by I think EXT faculty on the latex? When I think some 2, 3 months back, I guess. No. Okay. Okay. Never mind. I'll show you the list. Okay, so this is your practical one for DevOps. Okay, I'm talking about the DevOps only. So what you have to do is your aim. I'll tell you the format first. In header file, your roll number or number will be there. Okay, and then name, experiment. So as you can see, this is introduction part. Okay, so all three I know screenshots are there in the first practical. So what you have to do is first you have to write down what DevOps is. I'll give you the question. What is DevOps? Okay, and that too in your own words. Okay, I don't want a big paragraph from the internet. No, simply try to write down the what DevOps is in some 3 to 4 lines. Okay, or in some max to max 5 to 6 lines. Okay, then after that, principles, practice, DevOps engineer roles and responsibilities. So by tomorrow, I'll share the PPT. So you can refer that PPT. You can also refer the internet. There's no point. But what I want you is don't simply copy paste it. Just simply try to write it down what is understand to you that what DevOps is, why DevOps is. Okay. Then what is there exactly? The tools are there. Okay. So your first practical should consist all these 4 points and your 4 points along with the tools. Done with your first practical.
Along with the tools, as in ma'am, we have to.
See, if you remember, I showed you the tools which are there at the end of the, not end, but it was there at the middle of the slide. DevOps tool, then VCS were there, then VCS cut tool, then continuous integration tool, like that. So refer that slide for the DevOps tool.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll simply upload the PPT. So by tomorrow you can refer the slides. Okay. So this is your first one, practical theoretically done. Now the next one. To understand VCS, you create the GitHub account and install the Git like that. Okay. So for installation part, I'll again simply post the steps. Okay, in the Word document only. I'll not make a PDF of it. So you guys can take it from the internet and then you can arrange it as per your Word document. Okay. Here in second, in theory, what is expected is the definition of VCS, what VCS is, so you know what VCS is, and then the types of VCS. Okay, and if possible, you can also add the diagram, or I can say the architecture of it. Okay, if possible, the diagram is optional. Okay, so you can add. So these three terms I want in the experiment number 2 along with the screenshot. अभी इसमें installation git का screenshot I have, so I'll share with you. Only GitHub account का screenshot जो आपका respective रहेगा, okay, that only you have to add it in your experiment number 2. Is it clear to all of you? Experiment number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, your how experiment number 2 is divided. First, your theory. So in theory, the VCS, types of VCS, everything will come. Okay, so this is your theory. Next one, output or a screenshot, you can see that. No, put it output only. So in the output, you can attach your screenshots of Git and that. And one more thing, before screenshot, try to simply add one line of it. Okay, like what about the below screenshot is. Try to simply add one line of it. Okay, and one more thing, give numbers to it. Do you know how to give number to image or diagram? Thing you have done in your first year or in second year. Do you know how to give diagram number? Yes or no?
Will give, ma'am.
हाँ तो but कैसे labels? Yeah, exactly. Simply give image 1 like this in the bottom of the respective diagram. Image 2, image 3 like that. Okay, because labeling is important. Labeling, numbering, whatever it is. Okay, that is your experiment 2. And last one is conclusion. So have you added conclusion to your any experiments?
Yes, ma'am. We used to
And
write.
we had
In every experiment, no? Huh. So your third part will be your conclusion. In conclusion, again, there is one common line is, thus we have studied this practical. No. What you have studied in the practical, so try to write it down in your words. Okay, it doesn't matter if it is some 3 lines or 4 lines, it doesn't matter. Okay, if I saw, sorry, not saw, if I see anybody, with that statement, thus we have studied this experiment, okay, I'll not accept that assignment or experiment. Understood? So you have 3 parts. One is theory, second one is output, and third is the conclusion. Done? So this is the experiment 2. And then last one we have is experiment number 3, that is Git operations on local remote repository using cheat sheet. Okay, so this is very easy again. Now in third one, what will be the theory? Theory will be first the definition of what is local repository. Okay, what is local repository? Second one is what is global repository. Okay, then what is Git? Here definition should be 1 or 2 lines. Okay, don't try to write the big paragraph, and don't even try to write only single word. No, 1 2 lines it's okay, minimum 1 2 lines, maximum 5 to 6 lines. And next one, the commands. The commands which in the experiment 3, so list down all the commands with the proper description. Make a table of it. Okay? Commands and descriptions, and simply save it and make it as an. Okay. Any question in theory for experiment number 3? Any doubt
Ma'am,
in
then
it?
outputs, right?
Then output आपका, yes, correct. Your output, and output में आपके screenshots. Label the screenshot. Okay. Keep image 1, image 2 same name for every screenshots, because anyways it is gonna differ by experiment. Okay. So put the screenshot of it along with the label and simply add one line. Okay. Like suppose dir is there. Okay. ABC. What will be the line for this screenshot? I have make a directory with the command mkdir. That okay. Just screenshot of it. The next one, attach a screenshot of it. And this one, conclusion of it. So what you have learned from respective experiment, that you have to simply mention. Okay. Now we have created two outs, right, for experiment 3. For experiment 3, there will be a okay. So your second will come under student achievement, like that. Okay, because see why student achievement I gave this title, since this subject is new to you. Okay, and you have put effort, and yeah, you have created a local repository, so everything is new to you, so this is one kind of achievement to all of you, right? So your second output should come under the student achievement. Understood? So for experiment, let me repeat it once again. So for experiment 3, you have theory section. Okay, then second you have output, correct. In third, you have student achievement. And then next one, you have conclusion. That's it. This is for experiment 3. Done. Experiment 1, experiment 2, and experiment 3. Any doubt? See, I am giving you 1 week ka time. Okay. Everything is ready with you. Only theory you have to read it from the internet. You have to refer my PPTs, recordings, and then you have to write down in your own terms. That's it. Anything should be after the
Ma'am, ma'am, till which screenshot the experiment 2 is there, because we are doing on the same day.
See, yeah, experiment 2 here. This experiment 2, just wait a minute, let me show you this screen. See, this part, no, Git installation part, it is common to everyone, right? So there is no need to take a screenshot of it because I'll provide you the screenshot up to here. Okay, up to here I'll provide you the screenshot. This part will differ, obviously, since it's my laptop, so my name is there. Your laptop, so your name will be different. Okay, so up to here, your Git, your experiment number 2 is there. Okay, and experiment number 2, they what they say that you have to create the GitHub account, right? So again, what to do is you have to take a screenshot of your GitHub one. This. Okay, so this is your screenshot GitHub account का जो भी आपने screenshot लिया रहेगा. So this is all your experiment number 2. बस इतना ही है experiment number 2 में. Any doubt?
Ma'am, for
Yes,
experiment
yeah.
1, there will be no conclusion, right?
Yeah. No, there will be a conclusion. For every
Okay.
expense, you have to add the conclusion. So what will be the conclusion? Like, why DevOps? Then how it is good in the current era? Okay, what it gives you. In conclusion, you can also mention the company's name. Okay, like the companies, for example, or app. You can say that since you guys are students, so you can use the app, social networking site. So they are working on the DevOps methodology. Then you can give the examples also, like something happened in 2-3 months back. Your YouTube, or not YouTube, WhatsApp or Insta was banned for some time. Okay, so it was a total loss for the respective company. Like that you can give the examples also, but conclusion is must for every practical. I'm sure what.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay, what we'll have to take is after Vim command. See this one, git diff, then your file name. So this ss is there after vim command. This command and then the whole ss of it. Done. Any doubt? Yes or no? So I'll go to the, I'll simply show you the AWS, how it looks like. Okay, okay. Again for AWS, I'm giving you 1 week time. Okay, so you please take a help friends, your families, okay, or your elder brother or sister. That will be better. Okay, so this is how your AWS like, AWS Cloud 9. Well, I also take a phone for just wait a minute. Okay, so AWS account, why you have to use AWS account is so that what it simply provide, it gives you a database, it gives you a good connectivity. Okay, you can store your data, and since DevOps and advanced DevOps is most of the trending topic, so everybody is using the AWS. Okay, so we'll see the some advantages and disadvantages of AWS in the next part. Okay, and then after that we'll cover the next experiments. Okay, so till then, you have one task to do. You have to simply create an account on AWS. So how to do that is you have to type AWS account, okay, aws.amazon.com like this. Here you can see, and then you have to sign up. Okay, so since I have already have account with me, okay, then you have to sign up, and then you have to fill the data. Your whole data will be there, okay, like your name, then pan card, and your card details. Then in card details they will simply charge for the 2 rupees, okay, not more than that. Only they will charge you for the 2 rupees, and then you have to press the enter. They will ask for the OTP, okay, those card who are using, and then you have to simply fill the details of it. That's it. बस इतना ही आपको पहले करना है for AWS. Then I'll show you which instance you have to use and which instance you don't have to use. Don't try to explore the AWS. Okay, if you know it AWS, then it's okay, but if you don't know it, simply open an account open करने के बाद sign out करके चुपचाप बैठो. That's it. Understood? So can you do that? Because we
Yes,
want
ma'am.
AWS account, so that we'll try to finish the next experiment of advanced DevOps. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt till now? So all three practicals we have done, three practicals. Okay, then AWS account also. I'll show you. Even I'm also not using my account.
Ma'am, those who have that, that will be okay now.
Do you
I
have
have that.
account on AWS?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that will be.
Yes.
So you know the free tier concept, right? Free tier account. You know that?
No, ma'am. I've just logged in because of some course, ma'am. AWS course.
Yeah, yeah. No, because they ask you a free tier account. Show you. It's better. See, it will look like this. Okay, this is your Amazon services, Amazon management console. Here you can explore the AWS. It's a free account for 12 months. Okay, they will not charge you more than 2 rupees. Okay, but there are certain steps that you have to follow. And after, if you follow that steps, then only you will not get any billing. Understood? So please, if you don't have any experience in AWS, simply open your account and then don't do anything, don't explore it. Open it and simply save the password and then sign it out. That's it. Okay. And what you will search on the internet is AWS free tier account. Search this only and open your account in free tier only. So that is why it's a 12 months. Okay. So any doubt? Any doubt till now? In
No, ma'am.
no, okay. So okay, just wait a minute. Don't leave it. Let me save your attendance first. Done. Yeah, and one more topic is there. I'll just simply take that topic and then we'll stop because फिर ज़्यादा होना bouncing हो जाएगा. Okay, I'll simply stop sharing the call. Just wait a minute. Is experiment list visible to all of you? I guess yes. So if you go through the experiment, do you have syllabus with you, right? Or you don't have?
Yes, ma'am.
You have syllabus, right? So if you
Yes,
go
yes.
up here, yeah, here you can see there is a self-learning topics is there. Okay. See what the faculty have decided is to add your self-learning topic as a case study or as an assignment. Okay, so what we have to do is don't add it into experiment. Okay, simply try to take information as much as possible from Scrum, Kanban and Agile. Okay, since it's a self-learning topics. Okay, so I'll ask the other faculties like in which assignment which topics you are supposed to take. Okay, so before that, in meanwhile, just simply learn what Scrum is, the definition of it. If they have any installation, then simply try to learn it from the YouTube, perform it on your laptop. Okay, and then again see the difference between these three. What is the difference between these three and how it is related to DevOps? That's it. Same will go for here, version control, AWS code commit, Subversion, Bitbucket, CVS. This is what a self-learning topic. Okay, so please have a look at it. Okay, don't go into detail, just try to see what it is exactly. But if you're interested in researching more and more about respective topics, then it is all time welcome. Okay, done. So I hope these three practicals and AWS account is clear. So you have a task for this week. Okay. First one, you have to complete the assignments. So not assignment, the experiment, total three experiment. Second task is you have to open the AWS free tier architecture, free tier account. Again, I'm repeating free tier account. Okay. And then third one is self-learning topics. Just simply read what is self-learning topics and what it is exactly. Done. So from next week we'll go with the next practicals. Okay. Yes, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, and one more thing I want to ask. Is it okay like I'm simply showing you the screenshot of it, or do you want me to perform with you, along with you like that, or is it okay to see simply share the screenshot? How is
Ma'am,
it like?
screenshot is fine.
Screenshot is fine. What about the others? Because you just
It's
tell
okay,
me that
ma'am.
it's okay, right? So that will be better for you also to simply see and then perform. Okay. And how about the speed? Like, am I going fast because we have completed the three practicals? Or is it okay, or should I simply slow down in teaching like that? It's okay. No, I'm perfect. Okay, okay, fine. Okay. So all the best. So tomorrow I think we have a holiday. Okay. So enjoy your holiday. Don't forget to do study and yeah, simply try to write it down in Word. Okay. If I'll see if latex is there, then we'll simply see. But right now, prefer Word only. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, and you may leave now. I've saved your attendance.